Bird Park Kuala Lumpur is a wonder world of birds and a tropical paradise. KL Bird Park or Taman Burung Kuala Lumpur is one of Malaysia's most popular tourist attractions. Located in the scenic KL Lake Gardens, only minutes from Kuala Lumpur's city centre. The 20-acre bird park is claimed to be the world's largest free-flight walk-in aviary. There are around 3,000 birds and 200 different species found in the park, which is divided into 4 zones. Zone 1 and 2 are free flight zones, Zone 3 is the Hornbill Park, also free flight concept. And Zone 4 contains birds separated in cages, enclosures and mini aviaries. By allowing the birds to move around freely and by simulating their natural habitats and diet, birds have been able to breed naturally, thus helping to ensure the survival and sustainability of their species. The park has been successful with their captive breeding program, and many species have been successfully bred, including emus, African grey parrots, yellow-billed stork, silver pheasant, sun conure, milky stork, red lory, Indian blue peafowl, red jungle fowl, straw-headed bulbule, Malay peacock pheasant and eclectus parrot. Many of the birds are accustomed to humans, and some, like peacocks, will come and eat from your hand. However, you should only feed them the proper food which is on sale, not your ice creams,